Today I made something that actually confused my husband. I made veg keema using soya, and when he tasted it, he said, "This tastes like a chicken." Could not even guess the secret ingredient. And my daughter thought I had made burgers because I served the keema inside the burger buns. They love it so much, they finish all the buns. So let's make this delicious veg soya keema. Take 2 cups soya chunks and boil them well in a water. Once cooked, strain and let them cool. Squeeze out all the excess water and transfer the soya to a mixture. Pulse it until coarsely crushed. Don't make a fine paste, we want that keema texture. Heat a kadai and add oil along with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add bay leaf, black pepper, cloves, cinnamon, star anise and cumin seeds. Let the spices release their aroma. Now add finely chopped onions and saute until nicely browned. Keep ready tomato puree. Once onion turn brown, add tomato puree and salt. Then cook the masala well. Once the tomato is cooked, add turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder and spicy red chili powder. Cook until the oil starts separating. Mix everything well. Add ginger garlic paste and saute well until the raw smell disappears. Add the crushed soya keema and mix everything well. Now add a little hot water at a time, mixing and cooking as you go. Repeat until the soya is nicely cooked and has absorbed all the masala. I repeat this process around 3 times, adding water little by little. So the soya keema cooks properly and absorbs all the masala flavors. Once the excess water reduces, add garam masala and mix everything well. Mix well and add fresh coriander. Our delicious soya keema is ready. Heat the pan with a little ghee and roast the buns on both sides. Add our keema, some sliced onions and roast it nicely on both sides until slightly crisp. And that's it, our soya keema burger is ready. I am serving it with lemon wedges, sliced onions and extra keema topped with fresh coriander. Adding little ghee on the top. And because this is a proper desi meal, I am also serving Jowar Bhakri. Who would believe this is actually made with soya? So here we have our delicious veg soya keema, keema burger and Jowar Bhakri. And the best part, my daughter thought they were eating burgers, while my husband genuinely thought the keema tasted like a chicken.
That's burger?
It's not burger, it's keema pav.
It tastes like burger. Very delicious.
Who would believe this is actually made with soya? If you try it, let me know if your family can guess the secret ingredient.